Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire. My name is Josh and we're going to talk this Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. So it's a T30 Startline, 110 PS. So we'll start at the front here. So you've got your headlights, you've got your chrome strip across the grille there. Going around to the side. You've got your 16-inch steel wheels. Coming into the driver's side. As you can see just up here you've got your controls for your wing mirrors, so they are heated. Got your headlight switch down here. As you can see just there, it's only done 16 miles. It's a pre-registered vehicle. You've got your steering wheel there, just in the middle. You've got your DAB digital radio, your media, so you can select your source down here. Got your menu there, phone connectivity here, app connect there for connected via USB, so you've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. You've also got your voice control button there. Just down here you've got your start stop off button, as you can see. So a 5-speed manual, and then just to the left of that you've got your two USB-C ports, a cup holder and a 12-volt socket. You've got cup holders both sides of the dash there and the storage tray. You've also got more storage there, your glove box just under there. As you can see you've got rubber flooring in the cab, you've got 2 seats in the front and 3 in the second row. The driver's seat does have armrests on both sides. As you can see, it's finished in candy white, which is a solid paint. Got a tailgate at the back here. As you can see, you've got ply lining over the wheel arches and on the sides. You've got rubber flooring continuing from the front to the back. You've got low lashing rings there. And then coming around to the passenger side, got your sliding door here with your second row of seats. It's got 5 seats in total, with the flooring here as well. Just down here, you've got your diesel and AdBlue fill-up point, and you've got a view of the cab there from the passenger side. If you would like any more information about this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give us a call on 01772 911 356. Thank you for watching.